Hi guys!
What's up, man?
So I was wondering, what should a customer do to take care of their vehicle after they get it ceramic coated?
First, I would start by washing your car bi-weekly or routinely. Second, I would use some sort of a detail spray that has SiO2 in it, no wax. Also, you make sure you're using the right soap that also has no waxes in it and is also SiO2. One more thing, could come and see us for an annual maintenance or any Ceramic Pro Elite dealer once a year.
All right, now Eli, what should you not do?
I mean, if I had a coated car, I wouldn't leave it sitting for 3 months at a time. A lot of people think, oh, it's coated, I never have to clean it again. That's not how it works. Clean it, like you said, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks on a routine, every Sunday. Another thing I wouldn't do is go to the automatic car wash. A lot of people think that it's easy, $10, you never have to wash it yourself. That's gonna scratch the car and destroy the coating. Simple as that.
Thanks, guys!